Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is PJ. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to my channel and click on this notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. You can also like and comment on this video, and you can also join us on Telegram group where we share more lights on daily trade. You see that? I have promised you guys that I'm going to make a video on boom 1000 with this same indicator that I'm using right now. I'm going to make a video on it and explain how this indicator works every day. All what you need to do is to take just 10 candlestick then out of the market. You see, every day, if you are keep on taking up to like 10 of this every day, you are making a lot of money with this. So first thing I ask you guys to do is to first adjust the screen of your chart. You see, you can control this particular movement. So move it to the last area here. That's the number one thing that you need to do. So it help your indicator to identify your original entry, because we have a lot of fake entry. You see, let me show you an example of what I really mean. You see this particular movement. You see, if you think now that it's on what is on 50 level, you will always think maybe it's on 50 level. But let me tell you guys, it is a lie, because when you zoom this particular trade in, we are going to discover the real level of this trade. You see, it's not on 50, is on 76. So when you zoom it in also, it's going to give you another same level. So when you adjust your screen like that, it helps you to identify the original zone of each trade. So and the second thing that you are going to be checking every time is when your trade is above 95. That's your target. That's the first target that you're going to be checking. And the second thing is when your two moving average on the main chart is crossing each other. When the two moving average on the main chart is crossing each other. That's what you are going to be looking every day. And also you are going to be find this entry, maybe they are original or they are fake. That is the three principle you will going to be needed every time. So how do you know maybe this particular entry is fake? Is when you move this entry from this zone to this last zone, and it still remain on that 95 level. When you move it from this trade, you see, when you move it from here to the last level and it still remain on that 90, is your entry. Then the second thing is, after you have confirmed that, then you move to your moving average and check this moving average. As I told you in the first video I make, I said this red indicator, this red moving average, it always go faster. This red indicator, it always go faster more than this moving average. It's always go more faster than this moving average. So once this spike happens, it begins to set down this particular trade, and this cross this particular trade. Then after crossing this particular trade, what you need to do is to count fourth candle, which is the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So by this one, immediately this one is appear on the trade, this same 9 is going to be on the crossing side at this trade. So you are going to mark that fourth candle, which will be your entry. You see, which will be your entry. Then you are going to be taking your trade. You are going to be exiting your trade on the 10th candle. You see now, just count your 10th candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You see, this is your 7th candle. But we have a baby spike here. This baby spike is going to come down to respect us. So we have how many candle left? We have 3 candle left. So we are going to be coming back to come and check this particular zone. You see, this candle will count it for us. It will reach here back, and this is another opportunity for you to what to take. If you have already dropped your chart very well this morning, you will see that this is an opportunity. This is another opportunity for you to enter a buy a sell entry here at this level, so that you can easily catch up a a lot of sell which respect this level. But what you are going to be taking is just 10 candle every time, every day. So this happen every time. Don't let me say 1 hour, don't let me say 1 hour, but if you currently checking market every time, it happen. We always have up to like 20 of it in a day. We always have like 21 of it in a day. So let's check for more. Let's check for more. We are going to be seeing that. So first thing you need to check is to check maybe it's original or not. You see, this is why I told you guys to adjust your scale. You see, this particular trade now is in 50 level, and when you are moving your trade, you see it's fall on 95 level. So which means this particular zone is not 100% accurate, but you are trading the one that is 100% accurate, that you are trading 100% like this. You see, like this, like this one now is it move from the beginning to the end. You are going to be checking it. So I told you guys that once this my red line cross this trade, you are going to count away you are going to count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see it? You see. So you are going to be counting 4. So by counting this 4, this particular crossing will have happened, and you will have full confidence in the trade that you are taking just only 10 candle. You see, this is your 10th candle. So by doing this now, you are out of the market. So let's check for more. Let's check for more. Where you see we have a lot of fake trade in market. You see, you would think maybe it's is accurate, but they are not until they make you run on loss. So you see, we are still on 29. You see, we are on 28 now. You see what I really mean by this. You see, first confirm it from the beginning of the trade to the end of it. You see, it remained in that spot. It remained on that above 95 level. So once it remains above that 95 level, then go up here. You see, all this trade that I've just marked here is what I have tried on my demo account, and it's really working well on my live account. So I want you just try it also on your demo account before using it on your real account. So what you just need to do is to just wait for this red moving average to cross the trade. Once it crosses the trade, then you begin to count, which is your 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this will be your this will be your entry zone. So immediately it be your entry. This will have happened. This crossing will have happened. Then you enter your trade from here. Then you exit your market from this zone, from the 10th candle. You see, from the 10th candle, you exit it from the 10th candle. So it's happened time to time. So this on 28. We are going to be having a lot of them on 28 days. You see, let's check this. You see, it's not accurate. It's not 100% accurate. But when you see 100% accurate, it's going to move it from the beginning to the to the end. You see, even this is not fully accurate, but it's still something that you can still enter. If it's moved from beginning to the end, but not a little bit, let me just say it's like 95% accurate. You see, 95% accurate. So if you enter this trade now, you know that you are taking 5% risk. You are taking 5% risk. You see. So, but I don't want you to take 5% risk. You just go for the one that is 100% certain and accurate. The one that is 100% perfect. You see, like this. It's 100%. It's not moving away from it. It's not moving away from it. It's 100% from it. You see now, what you need to do now is to confirm that your window one first, that it is accurate, and the second thing you need to do is to wait for your moving average of red to cross this trade, and once it crosses this trade, you can count your candle, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your fourth candle. This will be your entry, and by on this fourth candle now, you will have your crossing line between the moving average on this. Then on the fourth candle now will be your entry. Then you exit the market on the 10th candle. On the 10th candle, you exit the market on the what? On the 10th candle. Sorry, this zoom out. You see, so as I mentioned before, you can use this strategy on any zoom level. You can use it on any zoom level. I've tried it a lot of times and it's working. You can use it on any zoom level. You can use it on any zoom level. You can use it on any zoom level. So let's go back to what we are doing. So this is the chart, this is the trade. So what you need to do is to put your arrow on the fourth candle, then you take your trade on the 10th candle. Start counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you exit your trade at this level. You exit your trade at this level. You see that? So let me show you the settings of this trade. So I'm going to releasing on boom 500 also for those who love to trade on boom 500 and on crash 500. I've still released a video on that. So let me show you the settings of this indicator. If you are watching this video for the first time, if you have not checked the previous video, so I'm having the moving average, the first moving average, which is on my main chart on the period of 10. The shift is -5, and I'm having the movement and the method to be what? To be linear weight. I have applied to close. You can choose any color of here. You can choose any color here. You just screenshot it. I don't want this video to be too long. Then the second moving average is period of 7, shift of 5, methods to be linear weight, and then apply to close. Then you can choose any of color of your choice. So you just screenshot it. Then indicator window 1, I have the average directional movement index, which is the period of 10. I have the 3 star here to be in white color, which is the background of my trade, my background of my trade. So I'm having, if you are using black background, then you are going to be using black color to the 3 star here. You are going to be using black color. So I have my level to be in 15, 95, 35, and 5 at this level. So you just screenshot it, then you press on done. Then you move to the first moving average to be 10 and the shift of 0. I have methods to be linear weight also. I have applied to close, then I choose black as the color here. Then you press on done. Then I have the last indicator here, which is the parabolic sex. I have the step to be 0.05, the maximum to be 0.05. So you can choose any color of your choice. So by doing this now, you will have the same indicator on your on our chart. I'm going to be having same indicator on our chart. You see now that the moving average have respect that particular zone. So you just count three candle more. You see, 3 candle more. So you can open a lot of trade. You can open up to like 10 trade at once and take or just 10 candlestick. Then you are out of the market every day. So if you are watching this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel. It's going to help us a lot. And also you can like and comment on this video how this strategy really help you. And also I have a Telegram group where we always discuss how trade is every day. I always send all analysis to that trade, and also you can also have free access to our indicator that always clear out a chart for us every day. Thanks.